How to become a registered nurse in Australia if you are an internationally qualified nurse. For the OBA pathway, yun yung outcome-based assessment, kailangan mong mag-create ng account sa APRA website. Yung self-check, basically, may mga questions doon na dapat mong i-answer at may mga documents ka rin na dapat i-upload. So basically, titingnan nila kung eligible ka ba to become a registered nurse here in Australia. So meron silang 3 streams na pagpipilian kung saan kanila i-identify. Like, for example, stream A, B, or C. So, most of the time, tayo mga Filipinos, under tayo sa stream B. We hold the qualification, but it is not equivalent dun sa standards ng Australia. Kaya kailangan natin mag-take ng exam. After mo ma-upload yung mga documents mo, so meron ka ng portfolio, next step is, sasabihin nila kung eligible ka na, next step is NCLEX. So, pag nakapasa ka na sa NCLEX, next step naman ay mag-exam ka na ng OSCE. OSCE means Objective Structured Clinical Examination. So, ito yung practical exam na may 10 stations. So, kailangan mong pumunta dito sa Australia, either in Melbourne or sa Adelaide. For more detailed information on how to become a registered nurse here in Australia, click the link that I've posted sa description ko. Vlog ko yon sa YouTube. Until next time!